Konnichiwa, YouTube. I'm Yusuke. Today, I'm gonna make udon. Udon is the soup bowl with the noodle in it, like the ramen. Okay, let's start cooking. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Today, I'm gonna make it with very simple recipe, so you can add vegetables, meat, seafoods, or whatever you want to add. Udon, water, soy sauce, dashi, mirin, and green onion. Put the ingredients except udon and green onion. And heat until boiled. And put udon into boiled water. And cook for the minutes written in the package. When the soup starts boiling, turn off the heat. Udon. And the soup into the bowl, and put green onion on the top. And now it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please press good button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. If there's any kind of recipe you want to know, please write it down in the comment. See you on the next video. ありがとうございました。